Good day, ma'am. Our lesson for today is all about elements of art. 3. Shape. Refers to enclosed shape that is limited into two dimension, length, and width. So, shape. Ang shape is usa ka porma nga adunay gilaraw nga gilapdon or gitason or 2D. There are two types of shapes: geometric shapes and organic. A. Geometric shape. Shapes with clear edge such as square, triangle, or rectangle. So, klaro, ang geometric shape is klaro og sulod sama sa square o triangle or inyane. B. Organic shape. These are the shape with natural and less defined edge like the shape of a cloud, puddle of water, and leaf. So, organic shape, natural ug walay klarong porma sama sa panganod or dahon or inganipod. Form. A form is an enclosed space, but unlike shape, it has length, width, and depth. These are the object of figures that occupy space of or refer to as three-dimensional. So, form. Ang form kay usa ka porma nga negitason or gilapdon og gilawmon. Makita nato ni sa mga butang sama sa bula or kahon. Ngayani. Number 4. Space. Space in art refers to the area within and around a work of art. It is the distance or gap between different elements, shapes, colors, and lines. So, space. Ang space is mao ang kahuang nga nag-separate or nagiusa sa mga butang. So, there are two types of space. A. Positive space refers to the field space of object in design. So, positive space, puno nga space sama sa mga butang o usa ka drawing. So, mo ni. Jag isa, negative space, also called void. It is an empty space or open space between the objects such as a background. Rani. Wala na siya opposite. So, number 5. Texture is a perceived surface quality of a work of art. So, ang texture mao ang itsura o gipati sa usa ka butang. There are two types of texture. A. Real texture. The actual physical surface of an artwork or design. So, real texture, usab ang gipati sa butang kung hikapon sama sa magaspang nga kahoy sa pulane. B. Implied texture, also known as visual texture, is only perceived by the viewer. Texture you can see but not feel is called implied or visual texture. So, implied texture, ang itsura lang nga murag adunay texture sama sa usa ka painting nga murag silig. Number 6. Colors. The result when a light hits an object. Color is the perceived visual and physical properties that are seen by human eye. So, colors. Ang color mo ang resulta kung ang kahayag maigo sa usa ka butang. So, there are three types of color: hue, saturation, and value. Hue refers to the origin of colors we can see. So, ang ngalan sa color brand ng mga red or blue, may yan. B. Saturation color refers to the purity of a color as perceived by the viewer. Saturation is mura sa kusog nga color or hayag or murag hugaw tanawon. So, yan.
Isa.
C. Value describes overall intensity to how light or dark a color is. So, kanang kaito more kahayag sa color. Color wheel. Isaac Newton's color wheel was the product of his experiments with light and precision. So, developed by Isaac Newton when he turned the color spectrum into a circle. So, developed ni Isaac Newton when he turned the color spectrum into a circle. So, there are three kinds of colors. Number 1, primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. These are not formed by mixing any colors. In fact, they help make secondary colors. So, primary colors, example is kanang mga red, green, or blue. Kaya na. Kanang dili ma-mix gikan sa ubang color. B. Secondary colors are color combination created by the equal mixture of two primary colors. Example na is kaning orange, green, or purple. Nakuha pinaagi sa pagmix sa duha ka primary colors. C. Tertiary colors. The combination of primary and secondary colors is known as tertiary colors or intermediate colors due to their compound nature. So, tertiary colors, combination sa primary ug secondary. Color theory is the study of how colors work together and how they affected our emotion and perceptions. So, gamiton para ma-combine ang color nga harmonisado. A. Monochromatic means a color scheme. A. Monochromatic means a color scheme that is based on a single color or hue. So parehas nga color pero lahi-lahi og shade. May ngani. B. Complementary are pairs of colors that contrast with each other more than any other color. So complementary color nga opposite sa color wheel sama sa red or green. C. Analogous means near. Analogous colors means two or more colors that are side by side on the color wheel and often contain same primary color. So color nga tapad sa wheel sama sa yellow o green or yellow green. D. At triadic color scheme consists of three colors. Tulo ka color nga balance og spacing. E. Split complementary uses two colors across the color wheel with those two colors lying on either side of the complementary color. So, ang split complementary, usa ka main color ug duha nga naay relasyon sa complement. F. A tetrad is four colors that is two pairs of complementary combinations. Tetradic color scheme examples are green with red and blue with yellow. So duha ka complementary pairs nga gigamit. Try nga ni. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.